Happy MetroTurf MMTCI Saturday Racing, May 2, 2026. Meron hinandang 7 races at start time po is 4 p.m. Regular racing tayo ngayong Sabado na meron tig-iisang set ng winner take all, pick 6, pick 5 at pick 4. Good luck mga bayang karerista. Let's G! Race number 1. Start ng winner take all covers, races 1 to 7. 3-year-old and above maiden race non-placers. Distance is 1,400 meters. Meron ditong 6 entries. First choice ni Carrera Outsider is si entry number 1, Rocksteady. Jockey is CB Diala. Ito na ang pagkakataon. Second choice niya is entry number 2, Courage. Jockey is Jim El Ciego. Magbibigay ng magandang laban. So dito sa race number 1, ito ang mga kursunada ni Carrera Outsider. First choice is entry number 1, Rocksteady. At ang second choice niya is entry number 2, Courage. Race number 2, start ng pick 6 covers, races 2 to 7. Philracom rating-based handicap system race class, 4:42 to 56 split. Distance is 1,400 meters. Meron ditong 9 entries. First choice ni Carrera Outsider is couple entries numbers 1 and 1A, make no mistake, and sa Isisante. Jockey is CS Pare, Junior and JG Serrano. Patok basta meron go signal. Second choice is entry number 5, Backpage. Jockey is CA Reyes, baka dito na makapanalo. Third choice is entry number 6, Catania. Jockey is RC Baldonido, malaki ang panalo. So dito sa race number 2, ang mga kursunada ni Carrera Outsider. First choice is couple entry number 1 and 1A, make no mistake, and sa Isisante. Second choice is entry number 5, Backpage. And third choice is entry number 6, Catania. Race number 3, start ng pick 5 covers, races 3 to 7. Philracom rating-based handicap system race class, 5:17 to 41 split. Distance is 1,400 meters. Meron 6 entries. First choice ni Carrera Outsider is couple entries number 3 and 3A, Winsome Maxine and Sentinel Node. Rerendahan ni Jockey JL Lazaro and RC Simasio respectively. Ang sabi ni Carrera Outsider, 2 heads are better than 1 daw. Second choice niya is entry number 1, Sky Magic. Jockey is PM Caballejo. Baka ito na ang inaabangan. So dito sa race number 3, ang mga kursunada ni Carrera Outsider. First choice niya is couple entry number 3 and 3A, Winsome Maxine and Sentinel Node. And second choice niya is entry number 1, Sky Magic. Race number 4, start ng pick 4 covers races 4 to 7. Philracom rating-based handicap system race class, 4:42 to 56 split. Distance is 1,400 meters. Meron 8 entries. First choice ni Carrera Outsider is entry number 3, Robotic Clay. Jockey is PJ Guse. May panalo. Second choice is entry number 6, Matikas. Jockey is LC Lunar. Magbibigay naman daw ng magandang laban. Third choice niya is entry number 5, Malibu Princess. Jockey is Joe L. Ciego. Kursunada lang daw ni Carrera Outsider. So dito sa race number 4, ang mga kursunada ni Carrera Outsider. First choice niya is entry number 3, Robotic Clay. Second choice is entry number 6, Matikas. And third choice niya is entry number 5, Malibu Princess. Race number 5, last extra double at daily double plus 1 covers races 5 to 7. Philracom rating, based handicap system race class, 5:17 to 41 split. Distance is 1,400 meters. Meron 10 entries. First choice ni Carrera Outsider is entry number 7, Hot Legs. Jockey Boy Tapik-Tapik, CV Garganta. This is it, Pansit. Yan lang daw ang masasabi ni Carrera Outsider. Second choice niya is entry number 3, Giselle's Princess. Jockey is JC De La Cruz, malas lang nakaraan. Third choice is entry number 1, Dos de Junio. Jockey is JD Huco, pinapatok sa Dividendazo. So dito sa race number 5, ang mga pili naman ni Carrera Outsider dito. First choice niya is entry number 7, Hot Legs. Second choice naman is entry number 3, Giselle's Princess. And third choice is entry number 1, Dos de Junio. Race number 6, penultimate race. Philracom rating-based handicap system race class, 442 to 56 split. Distance is 1,400 meters. Meron ditong 8 entries. First choice ni Carrera Outsider is entry number 3, Queen Marchesa. Jockey is AP Navarrosa, Solong Patok na Llamado. Second choice is entry number 8, Life Gets Better. Jockey is Ed G. Guerra, baka sakaling makachamba. So dito sa race number 6, ang mga kursunada ni Carrera Outsider dito. First choice is entry number 3, Queen Marchesa Patok daw na Panolo. And second choice is entry number 8, Life Gets Better. Race number 7, last and final race. Philracom rating-based handicap system race class, 5, 17 to 41 split. Distance is 1,400 meters. Meron ditong 13 entries. First choice ni Carrera Outsider is couple entries number 3 and 3A, Batang Morong and Bright Mind. Rerendahan ni Jockey JT Pabilik and CB Diala respectively. Parehas daw may panalo. Second choice is entry number 2, Music and Magic. Jockey is Joe L. Shiego. Baka dito na manalong dehado. Third choice is couple entry number 10 and 10A, Taipan 1 and O. Ruti. Jockey is Ed G. Guerra and Eminem Gonzalez. Ang sabi ni Carrera Outsider is pwedeng makachamba. So dito sa race number 7, ang mga kursunada at napupusuan ni Carrera Outsider. First choice niya dito is couple entry number 3 and 3A, Batang Morong and Bright Mind. Second choice is entry number 2, Music and Magic. And third choice is couple entry number 10 and 10A, Taipan 1 and O. Ruti.